performance coatings, most applications require compressed air of some sort or function in the process. One thing that's guaranteed with compressed air is you get water, you get liquid water, you get oil, you get dirt, and sometimes you always get humidity at some level, and that has different effects on the particular type coating you're putting on. So what we've done is we've engineered at the start of the system, closest to the application, products, our Tsunami water separator and our Tsunami oil coalescer, which is different than anything in the industry. Our water separator is designed totally different, where we have air that comes in from the top, runs down through the center tube to the bottom, hits this baffle. We spin the air at the bottom of the chamber. Everybody else in the industry generally spins the air at the top. When this air spins at the bottom, most of the liquids drop down to the bottom where there's an automatic drain. The air reverses flow and flows all the way up through the stainless steel element, which normally never needs to be changed, and it comes up and it leaves at the top. So we have this big directional change and a velocity change in there, which slows the flow and it helps take that water and droplets out to the bottom. We get about 10 micron for filtration out of this particular water separator. As we enter into an oil coalescer, if you look at how large our coalescing elements are, super large, we get extremely long life, we get very low pressure drop. We go down to 0.01 micron for oil and oil aerosols. So when you put a water separator and an oil coalescer at the end of the line as close to your application as possible, you're assuring that you get super clean, liquid-free, oil-free, dirt-free air for your application.